MyZigzagArt, as simple as art. What you're about to see. Now, from the beginning. Your creative journey begins the moment your package arrives. Carefully delivered right to your door, your very own string art kit is here. Open the box and discover everything you need to get started. Each item is thoughtfully prepared to make your experience simple and enjoyable. Your kit includes a wooden frame, canvas fabric, thread holders, a handle, a nail insert tool, nails, thread, guiding number stickers, and an instruction handbook. The step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from setup to your finished artwork. First, begin by preparing the frame. Connect the different parts of the frame according to the guiding marks. Next, apply the guiding number stickers to the frame. Remember, your string art starts from number 0, located at the top left corner of the frame. Then, carefully place the nails using the nail insert tool. Finally, attach the thread holders. Pass the thread through the eye of the holder and then through the handle. Tie the thread to the 0 pin, and once everything is set, you're ready to begin weaving. Next, scan the QR code using your phone. This will take you to our app, where the creative process continues. Inside the app, you can upload your own image and follow our simple photography guidelines, such as using good lighting, clear subjects, and well-defined portraits to achieve the best results. You can also explore our library of ready-made patterns. Choose from a growing collection of designs, regularly updated for you to discover. Preview and test how your string art will look before you begin weaving. Start weaving using the handle, just as you would hold a pen. Follow the app's step-by-step instructions, moving from one numbered nail to the next. With each connection, your artwork comes closer to completion. As the pattern comes together, you'll watch your artwork take shape. Once finished, tie the thread securely around the final pin and cut the thread. You've just created your own personalized string art. Simple, creative, and uniquely yours. Take a moment to admire your creation. Enjoy the process and the result.